This video shows how to change the oil on a 2013 BMW X5 35D. We use a 2-post lift, an oil drain bucket, 2 gallons of Rotella full synthetic 5W40 weight engine oil, a Moly oil filter, a socket wrench with an extension, a small flat-headed screwdriver. Latex gloves are extremely helpful, an 1¼ inch socket, and a 17mm socket. We like to use the Moly oil filter for this vehicle. In addition to a filter that works really well for the car, this also includes all 3 of the rubber O-rings and the crush washer for the drain plug. I'm now going to change the oil filter. To do that, I'm using an 1¼ inch wrench. When I pull this out of here, it's going to be dripping oil, so it's very helpful to have some blue rags nearby to try to get less of it on the engine. Not all of the replacement oil filters have all 3 of these rubber gaskets, so make sure to check that you have all 3 before you remove them, because in some cases you would have to reuse them. Got it. I'm greasing each gasket with a little bit of oil to help it go on more easily. I don't think there's a top or bottom side to this filter. As far as I can tell, both ends are the same. This is now ready to reinstall. I'm going to clean any oil residue off the top with this rag. It's now time to reset the engine oil counter on this vehicle. To do this, I'm going to press the start button twice, but I am not going to put my foot on the brake. When I press the start button the second time, I'm also going to press in on the trip meter stick, and I'm going to hold that until the engine oil icon displays. That is the engine oil icon. I'm releasing and pressing again to confirm that is what I want to reset. I am now releasing and pressing again, and it is reset. This vehicle does have a dipstick, but it also displays the engine oil level on the infotainment center. After starting the engine to fill the oil filter, we turned the car back off to check the level of the dipstick. The dipstick on this vehicle is located right here,